Go ahead.
Part 3 of the Diary of a Down-Ass Chick. Except for my man is not out in nobody's federal penitentiary. He's not locked up. He's still out here in these streets. And his dick gonna fall off one day. But I wrote a song about it. Let me tell you about how it goes. It's called Wise Man. And it says, be a wise man, or you can be a fool. You can treat me gentle, or you can treat me cruel. See, he opted for the latter. Daddy couldn't keep it smooth. When I tried so hard to please him, Daddy kept treating me cruel. So I did it for the best since he was giving me his worst. I tried to stick around and love him down. Damn it, make it work. I denied myself the truth. I know that's why I'm sitting hurt. Instead of looking out for me, I steady kept putting him first. Hearing him lie all the time, seeing him contradict himself, knowing all the while he could really give a fuck less. Man, please, I ain't no duck fool, and I ain't down with it. Yeah, you had me for a minute. I was gone, I'll admit it. Yeah, you did it. You win some and you lose some, but that's it. Since you don't want to act right, then jump the fuck up off my dick, bitch.
And that's that.
And that's it. Boom.
Diary of a down, what?
Diary of a former down-ass chick. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa.